Hello students. So very good morning. So students, as we have already completed chapter 10, so now I'm going to start with chapter number 11, that is people at work. So we are going to understand about the different people and their work. Okay. So people do different kind of work to earn money. So students, the basic reason to do different kind of work is to earn money. So हम लोग पैसे कमाने के लिए काम करते हैं. The work they do to earn money is called their occupation or profession. So the work that the people do in order to earn money have a definite name, and that name is the occupation or the profession. So that's why many people, they ask about your mother or father, what occupation is your father doing, or what is your father's profession. Then you all reply with whatever work your father does. Okay students, so let us meet a few people at the work to take a look at at the job they do and the tools they use. By reading about them, we will also know how and where they learned their skill. So now we are going to understand about the people and their different jobs, and while doing their job, what are the different tools they use, and we are also going to understand about how and where they have learned their skill. Okay. So now number one is the architect. So this is an architect. These are the tools that are used by an architect. So Praveen Verma is an architect. So he is a Praveen Verma and he is an architect. He draws plans for buildings. So whenever we want to construct a building, a proper plan should be made. Okay, जब भी हम लोग को बिल्डिंग बनाना होता है तो पहले बिल्डिंग का एक प्रॉपर स्केच या फिर प्लान एक बनाना पड़ता है. So this is done by the architect. So a plan is a drawing of all the rooms in a building. So at first we have to draw all the room that we want to construct in a building. सबसे पहले हमें एक अच्छा सा प्लान बनाना पड़ेगा. वहाँ पे हमें कितना रूम बनाना पड़ेगा वो सब हम लोग को अच्छे से ड्राइंग कर लेना पड़ता है. The drawing shows where each room will be built in the building. So in that drawing we will come to know where different room will be built in the building. So ड्राइंग से ही हमें पता चलता है कि हमें कौन सा रूम कहाँ पे बनाना है. वो ड्राइंग देख के ही बाद में आर्किटेक्ट लोग अच्छे से घर को एक डिज़ाइन देंगे. He designed our house as well. So I already told you the architect also designed our house. He went to a college of architecture to learn to draw plans for all sorts of building. So students, in order to be an architect, one must go to the college of architecture. So कोई भी अगर आर्किटेक्ट होना चाहता है तो उनको पहले कॉलेज ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर में जाना पड़ेगा. वहाँ पे they have to learn all the different ideas and plans in order to be a architect. He uses various tools to do his job. So this architect, he is using this kind of tools. These are the various tools that are used to do this kind of job. So it's very easy. I hope you understood it well. Number two is a carpenter. So Mangal Singh is a carpenter. So students, you see this one is a Mangal Singh and he is a carpenter. He make door and windows. So students, carpenter, for example, Mangal Singh, he makes doors and windows. He also make the cupboards. So students, the carpenter also make the cupboards. Okay. He uses a saw to cut the wood. So this one is a saw. So with the help of this thing, the carpenter can cut the wood. To make the wood flat and smooth, he uses a plane. So this one is plane. For making the wood very flat and smooth, he uses this one. So students, कारपेंटर बेसिकली क्या करते हैं, वो डोर्स और विंडो बनाते हैं और वो लोग अलमीरा भी बनाते हैं. एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ सॉ वो लोग वुड को काटते हैं. एंड कोई भी वुड को फ्लैट और स्मूथ बनाने के लिए ये प्लेन का यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, सो ही यूजेस अ ड्रिल टू मेक द होल इन द वुड. सो दिस वन is a drill. With the help of this drill, the carpenter makes a hole in the wood. He uses a screwdriver to put screws in the wood. So this one is a screwdriver. With the help of this screwdriver, he can put the different screws in the wood. So for joining different wood, screw have to be put. So by making use of screwdriver, he put the screws. He uses a hammer to fix nails in the wood. So this one is a hammer to put the nails in the wood. I mean to fix the nails in the wood. He make use of the hammer. He learned that art of carpentry from his uncle. So this art of carpentry, Mangal Singh, he has learned from his uncle. So students, I hope it is clear to you. ड्रिलिंग करने के लिए ड्रिल मशीन का यूज़ हुआ करता है और कोई भी स्क्रू लगाने के लिए स्क्रू ड्राइवर यूज़ होता है और कोई भी अगर नेल या फिर कोई भी चीज़ हमको वुड में फिक्स करना है तो हैमर का ज़रूरत होता है. और मंगल सिंह ने कारपेंट्री अपने अंकल से सीखा था. नंबर 3 यू सी इज़ अ पेंटर. Rampal Sethi is a painter. So this one, he is Rampal and he is a painter. He paint houses beautifully. So Rampal is a painter and he paint the house very beautifully. He uses different brushes and colors to do his work. So he make use of different kind of brushes and colors to do his work. He learned the art of painting from a building contractor. So he have learned the art of painting from a building contractor. Okay. So रामपाल एक पेंटर है. वो अपने मतलब कोई भी हाउस को वो बहुत ही अच्छे से ब्यूटीफुली वो पेंट करता है और जब भी पेंट करता है वो बहुत सारे ब्रशेस और कलर का यूज़ करता है और उसने ये आर्ट अपने एक बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्टर से सीखा है. So number 4 is a gardener. So you see this one is gardener. So Iqbal is a gardener. He looks after our school garden. So Iqbal, he is a gardener and he looks after the school garden. He planted various flowering plants to make our school garden look very beautiful. He uses a spade to dig the mud. He uses a trowel to remove the unwanted plants. He uses a cutter and scissor to trim the plant. He learned the art of gardening from his father. So students, this one is Iqbal. ये इकबाल है और ये हमारे स्कूल का गार्डन को बहुत ही ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुली रखते हैं क्योंकि वो हमारे स्कूल के गार्डनर है. वो स्कूल में बहुत सारे सुंदर सुंदर फूल लगाते हैं और टू डिग द मड, मिट्टी को डिग करने के लिए वो स्पेड, ये स्पेड है, स्पेड का यूज़ करते हैं और कोई भी अनवांटेड प्लांट को रिमूव करने के लिए वो ट्रॉल का यूज़ करते हैं और कटर और सीजर, दिस वन कटर एंड सीजर का भी यूज़ करते हैं whenever he want to trim, मतलब कोई भी प्लांट को अगर छोटा करना है then he make use of the cutter and the scissor. He learned the art of gardening from his father. और ये इकबाल ने अपने फादर से सीखा है to do gardening. So number 5 is a teacher. So Mrs. Jayashree Solanki is our class teacher. So she is Jayashree. She teaches us environmental science with a lot of love and passion. So as I am your environmental science teacher, similarly she is also your environment teacher. She is environment teacher and she teaches with lots of love and passion. She is an excellent teacher. So students, Jayashree is an excellent teacher and she uses various charts, globe and model to explain the lesson to us. So Jayashree, she make the use of chart, model and globes to explain the lesson to the students. She learned to teach in a teaching school. So by visiting the teaching school, she have learned how to teach. Her mother is also a teacher. So Jayashree's mother is also teacher, and by going to the teaching school, she have learned how to teach in a school. So I hope it is clear to you. So with this, I want to stop it here for today. Any doubt you can ask me. Thank you and have a good day.